Welcome to the Harrison Global Microsoft Dynamics CRM demo series. I am Callum Marshall, Solution Architect at Harrison Global, and I will be your guide to Microsoft Dynamics CRM during this presentation. This is part 5 of the series. In this segment, the service module will be presented. We will look at scheduling service activities in the service calendar, the knowledge base, which allows for information sharing, and finally, contracts. This type of functionality is ideal for a call center or service-based business. Services allow the scheduling of resource time from users, resource groups, or teams, and resource materials such as facilities, equipment, and consumables. To go to the calendar, we'll navigate to Service Calendar. The service calendar is where most activity will take place. Here, service activities with predefined services can be scheduled and managed. We can also create appointments which reserve users' time but do not require any additional resources. We can look at the calendar by resource types, and we can modify the view for specific subtype categories. We can drill down from the monthly level all the way down to the hourly level. We can use the month, week, and day here, or we can go down to the bottom and zoom right in. To schedule a service activity, click on the Service Activity button. Type in the subject. We'll select the type of service which has been pre-configured and can be customized to suit your specific business needs. Choose the customer for whom the service is being provided. Double click that, shows them selected records, and then we click Add. When we click on the Resources field, we see the pre-configured resources that are available to provide this service. This calendar will use scheduling and to determine who is available to do the service. So in this case, we'll select Derek. We'll confirm the time, 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 1 hour, and then we'll click Save and Close. Click on the service calendar to refresh. And we'll see the appointment we just created. You can double click to open it. Once our service technician has completed the work, they'll mark the service complete. And we're finished with this service activity. The calendar provides many other features like managing resource availability. It also allows you to link service activities to contracts. We'll see contracts in a little while, but we won't go into too much detail about that in this session. Let's have a look at cases now. So I'll go to Service and select Cases. We'll create a new case by clicking on the New Case button. Cases basically allow you to perform service or address issues that your customer may have. They may phone in with a question or some sort of issue, and if you have a troubleshooting resource, they can then create these cases and work the case for their customer. So let's enter a new case. We'll use a subject. If you have pre-configured subjects, you would have those. Let's identify the customer. And I'd like to add the origin to ensure that the reports have the correct data. Once you've entered this, we'll click Save. Now it's time to research, so let's move our case forward in the case solution process by clicking Next Stage. And here in this stage, I'll add a task, which is research problem. OK. As we can see, it shows up, and I'll complete this because I've done my research. I know what the answer is. If there was nothing else we can do and we were unable to solve this case, then we could cancel the case. Since we have figured out what the problem of the case is, we will click Resolve Case. And we'll click the resolution. In this case, we'll just provide them some documentation. We'll probably use something from the articles, which we'll see shortly. And we'll give them some billable time. We'll resolve that case. And now it gets closed. Once this happens, we will see an activity in the case area for that closed case. Documentation provided. Let's have a look at articles. Articles used to be known as knowledge base, or KB. They allow users to share information regarding common resolutions and processes to follow when working with customers. Articles follow an approval process to ensure the quality of information provided. They have predefined templates to create procedures, Q&As, solutions, and standard knowledge. I won't show you that in too much detail now, but users can use those to share information with each other. Another important area in the service module is contracts. These contracts allow us to define an agreement to provide a group of services or products during a specific period of time. Similar to articles, they allow us to predefine templates to ease the creation of new contracts. In this case, we only have one defined, so we'll select it after we've clicked New. We'll enter the details, contract name, the customer to whom it applies to, start date, and end date. Let's save that contract. Then we can add a contract line. By doing that, we go to contract lines and click on plus. Here we'll add the title. We can also enter here important information to deliver these services, such as the quantity, the price. We'll assume 50 hours at 10,000 total price, and they will get 50 cases of an hour each. Let's save and close that. And now we have this contract line. We can see on the right the billing information as well as the pricing information, which has been pulled up from the contract lines. This concludes this installment of our Microsoft Dynamics CRM demo series. Thank you for watching. I hope it provided you some helpful information. We at Harrison Global are dedicated to helping you get the most out of your CRM solution. So please reach out to us with your questions. Our contact details can be found in the information section of this video. Have a great day.